Hi, I'm Peter Gibb. I'm the Business Development Manager here for Custom Install at Dynaudio. We've had a great show here at ISE 2019. We've been exhibiting our new Custom Install range. This is the Performance range. This is our new series of products for distributed audio. As you can see, it's very shallow depth, 70mm on our 6.5-inch speaker here, and on our 8-inch speaker, only 85mm. They come with a two-part install, which is an installation frame, and then the speaker simply slots into place. The speakers use the Dynaudio audio technology, MSP drivers, 1-inch soft dome tweeter, large magnet, large voice coil, gives us great control over the driver, and for that detailed, clear sound that we always look for in a Dynaudio product. 5 products in the range. We have a dual voice coil, 6.5-inch woofer, a standard 6.5, an 8-inch, and then we have 2 in walls here with a 6.5 and an 8-inch woofer also. They all come with magnetic grills. You get the option of a square grill on the circular in ceilings here as well. Thanks very much. If you want any more information on our custom install products, you can visit www.dynaudio.com.